Massage therapists for professional models. Overtime? Don't have. What bo pian? I still got to come back and work on public holiday, long weekend. Sometimes I work 12 to 14 hours a day, you know. Very tired standing for such a long time. Simi, hello, is that time bo? You can't bo Only here they talk about what they eat lah, what they buy lah, their sex life lah, who chiong lah, who got pregnant lah. Simi, sometimes I wish my boss come and like pat me on the shoulder and say, hey, good job man. I actually dream of having a desk job. Answer phone call, 9 to 5. I tell you one day, I think I really want to quit this nightmare.